In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open a PDF file with Google Docs. So the first thing, you need to have the PDF doc in your Google Drive. So I have it here already uploaded, but if you don't have it, what you can do is come here to New, click on New, File Upload, and you can select the file from your downloads or whatever it is that you have it in your desktop. So I have it here in my downloads, so I'm just going to open it. You see I had already uploaded it, so it's just telling me to replace the existing file. Let's do it just for the sake of you seeing how it goes. And here you can see I have the notice upload complete, so I've got my file there. Here's my PDF file. So there's a few ways that you can do this. Here I right click it and I can open with Google Docs. So I'm gonna go this way. I'm just gonna click on Google Docs and you see it's converting. And there you go. I have the PDF file now open as a Google Doc. You can see there is a Google Doc here because you see the doc symbol. So there is a few ways, and actually if we go back to the Google Drive, you're going to see the same document here, but now rather than being a PDF, it is in Google Doc format. Okay, so going back to it, we can edit it as much as we want. So, you know, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, just to show you that we can edit it. Any parts of the document as if it was a doc, and then if you just leave it as it is, it's going to stay in your drive like that. Otherwise, you can save it as a PDF again. So you come here to File, Download, and you can download it as a PDF document. Here it is. You're going to find it in your downloads as PDF.